Yes, Etsy people. Listen, on this video, I want to show you exactly how to find those fantastic, profitable coloring pages really, really quick, those training ones. But I'm going to actually show you how to create it using a fantastic design platform called KITTL. It's my go-to design platform. So I'm going to show you all of this in this video real quick. But guys, if you love videos like this, then please hit the like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed, man. In your feed. Now, check this out, man. Look, I'm on Etsy right now. I'm going to be real quick with this. I'm going to show you the first page when I typed in coloring, right? Coloring page. And look, some of the best sellers out there right now are different niches, right? And I want to tell you some good ones. Like this one, you can see is a bestseller bomb. It's these cute, if you like, cartoons. The cute ones really do sell well. And I'm going to do a cute one when I show you on the KITTL design platform. But look at this. But this is a kawaii style. That's a particular style. And look at it how it works. You've got the eyes that look like that, those sort of dark eyes in a certain place, and that nice cartoon style of the actual product, whatever it may be. In this case, I don't know what it is. It's like a drink or something. But yeah, that's a particular style. So it's a sort of kids cartoon style, but in this case, it has a kawaii element to it, right? And look, coming down again, you got some more of these like sort of popular nows and bestsellers. And the popular nows seem to be these kind of kids ones as well. Another one popular now, you can see that kawaii style, which is just there as well. Again, you know, like sort of mermaid ones, there's sea animals, sea creatures ones over there. And again, these are all very kind of like, if you like, kid friendly cartoon style characters, right? And they do work really well. Look at this one. Here's another one, a bestseller for kind of farm animals. You know, look how friendly looking the cow looks. Real friendly. It looks mad. It looks crazy. People love it. They absolutely love these styles. Very popular, bestsellers. Boom. It's the one they sell. So that's what I want to focus on. I want to focus on the ones that will sell. And again, you know, finding these trends, I use my popular go-to research tool, EVERBEE, which helps me find those trends. But do check out the playlist, how I use EVERBEE, my research tool. The link is below on how I find these popular trends that are actually profitable in the coloring niche, man, because they need to be profitable. You need to make cash. But yeah, so let's jump on to KITTL, my go-to design tool, so I can actually show you how to create these. Now, one thing to note, and I'm going to, you know, look at one thing to note is to understand, you know, sizing, understand the format of these coloring pages. There are different types of sizes, but it's important to know what the popular ones are, what people actually do like to buy, because that can impact on your sales too. And I will show you all this using KITTL. So let's jump on it, mate, right now. Okay, guys, I'm on KITTL right now. This is the homepage. And like I said, you can try it for free. But what it is absolutely fabuloso. You can use it for so many things. It has those up-to-date designs, design trends, fantastic fonts. It really is your designer's design tool with that quality element. It's got quality. It's created for designers, right? And also, not only that, its editing is oh la la. Its editing is the one. That's why I love it. Edits things really nice. And you can use it for anything from coloring pages to hoodies to you can do, basically you can create designs for many different products, which is amazing. That's what you want. You want to have options, man. You want to have options. Anyway, the first thing we're going to do now that you've once you've kind of gone into this is we go to something called new project. We want to start a new project. So you click on that. Okay, once we clicked on new project, guys, the first thing you want to do is make sure that the size of the coloring pages are correct. This is absolutely vital. It's really, really important. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the sizes right here in my settings. So I'm going to use units, as in the units. I'm going to use inches in this case, and I'm going to make sure that the width is 8.5 and the height is 11. Okay, that's a pretty standard coloring page size that's very popular on Etsy. So I'm going to keep it at that. I like to maximize on the resolution, so I'm going to put 300. The higher the resolution, and 300 is a really good benchmark, the better the quality of those coloring pages, right? Yeah, so, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to create, right? Very simple. And there you go. I've got my page, my coloring page. And remember, you know, for Etsy, to sell on Etsy, you're going to need to create a lot of pages, especially when you're starting out. You need to create a lot of pages. You need to show value. You know, it's hard to compete against those kind of older heads, if you like, the ones that have been in the game for a long time, man. So you're going to have to do something, which is maybe creating a lot more pages. in the sort of niche that you're going into. And remember, use EVERBEE to find those really good trends, those niches, those unsaturated ones. Check out my playlist on how to use EVERBEE as well. I'll show you how to find those low competition ones. So the first thing I want to do is now, do check out, I do have a lot of videos on KITTL, so to show you what all these features are. There's lots of features on here. So, you know, on the side, you've got things like, you know, templates, texts, elements you can add, brand kits, uploads, images, even creating designs through AI. And there are, you know, there are other sort of platforms to create designs through AI. And I do suggest doing this because it's a really good way. So I'll give you a prime example. If I click KITTL AI, and then obviously I want to create something through the image generator, right? So if I click image generator, what's really cool about this is that, you know, with anything like with AI prompts, obviously prompts are like words that you put string together to be able to describe what it is that you want to produce. So for example, I might say something like cartoon style, I don't know, unicorns, or cartoon style mermaids, in a black and white style, and I could type that in onto for the image generator so it can create it. But what it also has in addition to it, it has styles. So you can see there are many styles, and they also have something called vector styles, and the styles are kind of those black and white design styles, which are very suitable for coloring pages, right? So you can click show all, which will give you an idea about all the styles that it has. Where you can actually use. So, you know, I like this one. This is a cartoon style. So even if I click cartoon and I create a design, at least it will have that sort of cartoon flavor, which is very important. So I might click on that anyway, and I will write the prompt. So I might say something like, coloring page kids cartoon style, even though I've got it as one of the styles that I want them to use anyway. I might say smiling baby unicorn. Unicorns are quite popular selling on Etsy as well. People like those kind of magical creatures as well, in black and white, right? Although, you know, like I said, I do have that style sort of already there clicked, but let's see what it comes up with. Remember, you know, with things like this, is sometimes important to be able to produce different images. So, you know, you might not get the exact image you want straight away, but you can always regenerate and produce other ones, which is fantastic. And like I said, KITTL is really, really perfect for this kind of thing. So once I've done that, I've clicked vector style there. I've done the prompt, I've written it out. I could get into a bit more detail if I wanted to. You know, sometimes the more detail you put in, the more you'll be able to kind of produce, like to see, you know, so you might say unicorn with wings, being specific, let's say. But, you know, you can do that also, or you can keep it quite general, quite open. And then what you do is you click generate image. So let's see what it produces. So now that I've clicked on it, it's going to produce the image for me. You can see that it's going through the motions, and it's quite quick as well, which is amazing. Look at this. Absolutely fabuloso. Fabuloso, mate. Look at this. I love it. And what you do is once you got your image, you expand it, you get it to fit onto, because obviously you're going to do loads of these unicorns, let's say, if that's what it is. This is absolutely perfecto. You want to leave a little maybe margin, not too close to the edges. You know what I mean? Just make sure that it fills up most of the space. Make sure, see, look, it gives you all that, you can get it all central. Look at that. It tells you where's central right there, man. Right there. Look at that. Perfecto. Yeah. Bellissima. I love this, man. And you know what? You probably end up doing lots of pages of these, obviously, because you want to create a sort of book, if you like, or a bundle of pages. And then, you know, once you've done that, once you got all your pages created, then all you need to do is to go to download, right? Click download. And again, you know, it gives you the different options. It gives you the different download options, right? You got just double check your width and your height. Make sure the resolution is there. You know, there are other elements to this where you can also, you know, optimize the image, which is fantastic. And I'm going to show you this also. So you can optimize the image by clicking here, optimize quality, which is right there. And then that's it. You go to the file type. I would recommend downloading it as a PNG. I would recommend downloading it as a PDF, right? Click on PDF, because PDF tends to be, you know, the best method for printing out coloring pages. Because remember, these are going to be printed out, right? People buy these and they're going to print it out on their home printer. So PDF for this type of thing You know, but this type of digital product is probably a good format, is a very good format to use. And then that's it. You'd go to download, click download, go to download, right? And that would be in your downloads pretty instantly, guys. And that is it. It would produce that for you. And that's it. Once you click download, you have your PDF document, which you can upload on Etsy. Do check out my videos on actually how to upload on Etsy or how to upload big files. But I'll really look how really cool this is. I'm going to click on KITTL and click on zooming in and look at the quality of this. Look, even zooming in really close, the quality and the line work is really, really crisp, really, really nice. And I think that's very important too. You want to be able to deliver a very good quality product to your customer. That's how you get those really good reviews and ratings, so that you can actually push your store, make sure that your listings are up on higher on those pages. If you do need somebody to have a look at your store and to help you, maybe give you some tips and advice for making those sales, you can check out my link below for a store review, which I can do for you. Or if you're not even sure how to actually start an Etsy store, then I also have my my digital course, and also a coaching program, which you can also check out. But really, that is all you need to do. It's as simple as that. It's so easy. You just make sure that you find those really good profitable niches using something that I call EVERBEE, my go-to tool. Once I find those really good low saturation ones, and I make sure they say I identify, it might be baby unicorns, or, you know, smiling character, friendly cartoon unicorns, something like that. Let's say, doesn't have to be. You can identify loads of other sub niches out there. There are hundreds out there that you could get into. Once you've identified that using EVERBEE, then you jump onto KITTL, the design platform, which will help you create it really quickly, as you've seen. So I hope you liked the video, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and do check out my playlist, man. I've got a current book playlist, so do check it out. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care, man. Take care.